Alright, hi, this is the ring radar system I've created. So basically it's a gyro around rings, one vertical, one horizontal. Has the radar system inside of it, which is like a subwoofer slash radar battery, square battery. And then over here it has wings that have rollers, one on the outside, one on this side, and then it positions itself the so we have the spokes around to pick up the signals in a square, and that can travel around the rings. This one has the outer ring bigger than the other, so basically it can flip invertible and twisted. And then we'll take a look at the next one. This one's the same thing. Um, we'll start from the top. Oh, we got inner ring this time with these rings on the things, but I added rotational wings like there. So this would be if you were to say, let's see, put wings on it. We could have a circular wing disc, sort of Millennium Falcon kind of thing going on here. All right. So basically, it rolls on the outside and it turns on the inside to position itself in space. So we have gyro radaring sampler radar, and then we'll just pull this one down. This one, um, kind of the original, and then all right, this one is the ring radar. So here's what I did. It's got 3 rings now. Um, if you use square grid coordinates on these 2 loops, that's why they're checkered. And then, so it's basically an additional ring radar. There's 3 rings in this ring radar. Um, so it balances itself. These are outer space radar rings. Alright, this is the transmitter. Let's see if I can shrink that a little bit. Alright, so we'll take something like this one, um, ring radar. Alright, and I don't know which one's the best one, but let's just say let's just say um let's just say Alright, let's just say this is the radar ring, and we'll go back to the battery logic amplifier. So what it has is we have this plate, which does a source emitter drain top plate, and we'll hide that one. And then a catcher medium, and these spin. And then another source emitter drain plate. Then the emitter logical amplifier, which has the batteries in the back. And my other idea is, let's see, I think I like this one the best. And then if we don't like it on that side, we could do the battery amplifier. Let's just say I was gonna make an assembly out of this, but I had too many parts and it wouldn't scale properly at the moment. So basically, we got a satellite transmission feeding through the battery amplifier circuit, which also can spin and scramble the location. And then we have the X, Y, and Z coordinates on an orb, and we have traction electric motor here and here, and then it's kind of pinned to this ring, which has a reverse. Here, let me show you. These are all basic. I made a couple different configurations, so let's go through the crosshairs of it. Um, so here's we're getting into the satellite, which is in a woofer box. We have the satellite pinning in 6 axes. We have an inner dish that reflects the inner dish of the subwoofer, and then it would go through and it paints the image on the thing. So this is my actual image. Let's go down here and we'll hide that. So here is one of the motors spinning X, Y, and Z axis with a third gyro satellites. I'm not going to save that. This one is a second gyro, which means we have a motor here, an electric motor here that feeds on there, and then this can rotate. So we have rotatable wing turning axis, and then on this side we can rotate that way as well. So it could be a 4-fin array like propulsion, but it would need something out the back. This is a single double ring. You can see how this one was a easier one. I'm not going to save it, but that shows the battery amplifier circuit. And this one, I hid the circles on it, and I'm not going to save that. Then we have this one is a triple gyro with one single on it. And that's Ring Satellite Systems.